Maintaining a pristine landscape requires precision, and as home gardening reaches new heights of popularity, the demand for reliable handheld garden sprayers has surged. Whether you are a weekend hobbyist or a dedicated green thumb, the right equipment is essential for efficient weed control and plant nourishment. This guide evaluates top-rated models based on tank durability, nozzle versatility, pump efficiency, and overall ergonomic value to ensure your garden thrives. Product number 1. PetraTools 1-gallon pump sprayer, HD101. The PetraTools HD101 is a standout choice for those seeking a lightweight yet professional-grade tool for localized yard work. Featuring a 1-gallon translucent tank, it allows for effortless monitoring of liquid levels, ensuring you never run dry mid-application. The heavy-duty design is coupled with a 52-inch long hose and a 16-inch wand, providing an impressive reach that minimizes the need for bending or stretching. One of the most praised aspects of the HD101 is its dual nozzle system. It includes both an adjustable nozzle, which can transition from a fine mist to a targeted jet, and a specialized fan tip for broad coverage. This versatility makes it equally effective for delicate indoor plant misting as it is for aggressive weed killing on driveways. Safety is also prioritized with a built-in pressure release valve that prevents accidental spray bursts when opening the tank. While some users find the trigger a bit flexible, the inclusion of high-quality internal filters ensures a clog-free experience, even with using thicker fertilizers or mulch glue. For homeowners with small to medium plots, the HD101 offers a perfect balance of portability and power. Product number 2. PetraTools 2-gallon pump sprayer, HD201. When your gardening tasks graduate from small flower beds to expansive lawns, the PetraTools HD201 2-gallon sprayer is the logical upgrade. This model retains all the ergonomic benefits of its smaller sibling, but doubles the capacity, allowing you to cover significant acreage without the constant need for refilling. The easy carry design is bolstered by a large, comfortable handle that accommodates gloved hands, a thoughtful detail for those working in early spring or late fall. The HD201 is engineered for consistency. Its manual pump mechanism is efficient, requiring fewer strokes to reach the necessary pressure for a 10-foot spray range. Like the 1-gallon version, it features the signature 52-inch hose, which is exceptionally generous for a handheld unit. The tank's wide, bowl-shaped mouth makes the mixing of pesticides and herbicides a mess-free process. Its durability is a frequent highlight in user reviews. The polyethylene construction is resistant to the corrosive nature of many common lawn chemicals. If you find yourself frustrated by the frequent empty tank interruptions of smaller models, the HD201 provides the extra volume needed to get the job done in one go. Product number 3. PetraTools 2-gallon pump sprayer, HD201, lawn care and pesticides. This specific iteration of the HD201 is optimized for high-frequency chemical application. While sharing the robust 2-gallon frame, this version emphasizes its compatibility with a wide array of specialized liquids, from pest control solutions to grass paints. The inclusion of the fan nozzle is particularly beneficial here, as it ensures an even, streak-free application of lawn tonics and fertilizers, which is vital for maintaining a uniform green appearance. The internal architecture of this sprayer is designed to handle the dirty work. The Shore Spray-style filters are integrated to catch any undissolved particles that often lead to frustrating nozzle clogs in cheaper models. Furthermore, the translucent tank features bold measurement markings that remain legible even after heavy use, facilitating the precise mixing ratios required for sensitive pesticides. Users frequently cite the lock-on trigger feature as a hand-saver during long sessions, allowing for continuous spraying without constant thumb pressure. For those managing a recurring pest or weed problem, this sprayer acts as a reliable workhorse that bridges the gap between consumer-grade bottles and expensive backpack units. Product number 4. Chapin USA 22000 Pump Sprayer 1 gallon. The Chapin 22000 represents the classic American standard in garden maintenance. Proudly made in the USA, this 1-gallon sprayer is often sold in value packs, making it an excellent choice for gardeners who prefer to keep separate tanks for different chemicals, such as one for herbicides and one for fertilizers, to avoid cross-contamination. Its design is utilitarian and focused on long-term reliability. The standout feature of the Chapin 22000 is the patented SureSpray in-tank anti-clog filter. This small but critical component prevents debris from entering the 12-inch wand, ensuring a steady stream every time you pull the trigger. The adjustable polycone nozzle allows you to switch between a coarse stream for spot treating weeds and a fine shower for general watering. While the 34-inch hose is shorter than the PetraTools models, it offers a more compact profile that is easier to store in crowded sheds. The ergonomic pump handle is designed for comfort, making the pressurization process smooth and low effort. For the budget-conscious gardener who doesn't want to sacrifice build quality, the Chapin 22000 is a proven no-nonsense performer. Product number 5. Chapin USA 2004 Pump Sprayer 1 gallon. Rounding out our list is the Chapin 2004, a refined 1-gallon sprayer that excels in ease of use. It features a unique funnel-top tank opening that is wider than many competitors, significantly reducing the risk of chemical splashes and spills during the filling process. This makes it a favorite for those who use concentrated solutions that require careful handling. Constructed from rust-free, lightweight polyethylene, the 2004 is designed for longevity and ease of transport. It utilizes the same high-tier SureSpray anti-clog technology found in Chapin's professional lines, ensuring that even if a bit of dirt gets into the tank, your workflow won't be interrupted. The 12-inch poly extension wand is attached to a 34-inch reinforced hose, providing a sturdy feel that resists kinking. While it is a manual pump, the internal gaskets are high quality, meaning it holds pressure for an impressively long time compared to generic alternatives. It is an ideal entry-level sprayer for homeowners who want a buy-it-once tool for basic lawn care, watering, and pest management.